To prime or not to prime, that is the question. Watch Artistro's new tutorial to find out the answer whether to prime or not to prime rocks and wood before painting. First, let's try to paint the rock without priming it. Do not forget to shake the paint pens before using them. The colors pop. Now cover the other rock with white acrylic paint and let it dry completely. Paint the same cute piece with Artistro acrylic paint pens. Don't forget to shake the paint pens before every use. Priming also helps to hide the rock's flaws. So, the rocks look absolutely the same. Both of them are amazingly bright and vivid. It's your choice whether to use a primer or not. Artistro paint pens look great on both surfaces. So, what about wood? Let's cover one wood slice with acrylic paint and let it dry completely and leave the other one without priming. Create the same designs on both the wood slices. You can see that the wood with the primer has a smoother surface and the colors look pastel. The wood slice without primer has got the wood rounds and definition, and the colors look more realistic. Priming makes the colors pop, but with Artistro paint pens, you can skip the process. Just do not forget to shake them baby, before every use. Hope this video helps. See you next week.